Welcome back, everyone. As you see in the last video, my car broke down at a car show. And that was unfortunate because I had 4 car shows planned for 24 hours and we only went to 2. And not only that, the car is still broken. So it's been about a week now since the car broke down. The car is still doing that weird throttle body thing where it gets stuck open and just cuts all power to the car. You drive maybe 5-10 minutes and it just shuts down. So I still need to get that fixed. So what I've been doing for the past week, what was it? Yeah? You're mad about the car being broken, Emma? You're not? You want the car fixed? You too, Bailey? Yeah? We gotta get the car fixed? Yeah, let's go get it fixed. Alright, I figured out how to fix the car, and we don't even need money at all. Because we've got the final Dragon Ball. Let's go, guys. The final one. Shenron, fix my car! Alright guys, so apparently that wish was too great even for Shenron. But I went around the galaxy and I collected all the Infinity Stones. So now when I snap my fingers, my car will be fixed, right? As you can see, the car is still sitting here doing nothing. Do you have another plan for me? Huh? What was that? Emma, that's sick. I'm not going to do that. No, I have a better plan. And that brings us to the topic of this video. So yesterday, I signed up for Uber Eats. Now you may be asking, how am I supposed to do Uber Eats if my Mustang's not working? Well, fortunately, my wife will let me borrow her Mitsubishi. So we're going to drive around San Antonio and deliver some food. Alright, we just picked up some Smoky Modes barbecue for someone. So about to go do that delivery now. But that food smells good. I might have to go back here and pick me up something to eat later. So I just delivered a burger to elementary school. I didn't know parents actually ordered food through Uber Eats and had delivered to schools. I'm ending out my first day at Uber Eats with just a shake. That's literally all they ordered, is one shake from Whataburger. So that last delivery I did for the Whataburger was just a shake, no food, nothing else. It was a kid. He came out in just his boxers. I used to run around without my shirt on, but I would at least wear pants if I was going to go outside, grab my food from someone, or just a shake. But yeah, we'll go back home now and see how much I made today. Let's go do some Uber Eats. Alright, so we just got the first pickup for the night. We're going to pick up at Subway, about half a mile down the road from here, after these guys turn, and then we're literally only going like 2 miles, mile and a half down the road. It's a $3 order, but hey, a mile and a half, that's not too bad. Time to go pick up the first order for the night. Look at that on the right. Let's pick up at the same Subway we went to at the first delivery. Think they remember me in my Pikachu outfit? Looks like we got another pickup from Wingstop. Subway and Wingstop are pretty popular tonight for some reason. I don't much care for either of them though. Do you have a pen for me? $45.90. Thank you. There you go. Have a good day. Alright, we're finally going to get the car fixed today. The car's still acting up. We got the little engine light and the wrench, so we'll go get that fixed. Alright, we made it to the shop. And we didn't break down once, surprisingly.
So you said you started a new job?
Oh yeah, just been doing Uber Eats.
Oh, I thought you were gonna do.
It's hard to get one right now this summer. No one's wanting to hire. They're not as busy.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You guys will be busy because the holiday shit coming up.
Yeah, I can go over the road easily, but
Oh, you don't want to do that. You want to stay local.
Yeah. Alright boys, we're back in the Mustang. It seems to be working fine now. I've been driving around for 2 hours doing Uber Eats. So, I think it's working good. Seems to be working fine. Now, we did Uber Eats to see how much we can make to repair the car. But Tim Lee at Maximum Velocity here, he hooked me up and he did the whole job for free. So, shout out to him. So, we think we fixed the problem. This wiring harness here had extension on it, and apparently he thinks that's what was messing up on it, so we just got an extra long cord here now instead of the extension. So hopefully that fixes it, and if not, he said it'll probably be the little controller here. So hopefully everything's all good now, we don't have to replace that.
Around me, boy. I wanna break you off to the early morning when it's on.